Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x where 5 to the power x is equal to 500, or left side is 5 to the power x is equal to 500 can be written as 5 to the power 3 times 2 square, or now taking log to both sides, we can write log of this 5 to the power x is equal to log of this 5 to the power 3 times 2 square, or applying formula log a to the power b is equal to b log a, we can write log 5 to the power x as x times log of 5 is equal to, applying formula log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. In here we can write log of this 5 to the power 3 as a, so 5 to the power 3 plus log of b, this 2 square is b, so log of 2 square, or left side this is x times log of 5 is equal to, again applying formula log a to the power b is equal to b times log a, we can write this as 3 times log of 5 plus, similarly applying same formula here, log 2 square, we can write this as 2 times log of 2. Now divided both side by log of 5, we can write left side x log of 5 divided by log of 5 is equal to this 3 log of 5 divided by log of 5 plus this 2 times log of 2 divided by log of 5. Now in left side this log of 5 and log of 5 will cancel out and it will remain x, or x is equal to, now here this log 5 and log 5 will cancel and it will remain 3 plus this 2 times log of 2 divided by log of 5, it can be written as 2 times log of 2 divided by log of 5. So the value of x is equal to this 3 plus this 2 times log of 2 divided by log of 5, we can write it as log of 5 base 2. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.